Now I am going to discuss about the fingering rules. What are the fingering rules? There are some basic rules while playing keyboard or any keyboard instrument. First rule is that you should not twist your fingers. Twisting is not allowed like this. Like this not allowed. This is not allowed. It's not allowed. So these fingering techniques you should not be using to play any song, any raga or anything for that matter on keyboard. Rule number 2 is that you can pivot your thumb. Pivot means keeping your thumb in center. You can take like this. You can take like this. All these possibilities are allowed. So you can keep your thumb in center and you can pivot it. This is rule number 2. Rule number 3 is that you are not supposed to use your thumb on black keys. It means no. You can use the rest of the 4 fingers on black keys and keeping thumb on white keys. That you can do. This finger number like this 3, 1, 2. This you can do, but not doing this. No, not allowed. This is the rule number 3. Rule number 4 is that you should not be double tapping. It means same finger you cannot play like this or like this. Like this you cannot be playing. You have to use your alternate fingers. This is allowed. So these are the 3 basic fingering rules. The next rule is that while playing any song or any raga, you can use any fingers as per your convenience. I repeat, any fingers as per your convenience, keeping in mind all these 3 rules. Okay, so sometimes while playing in the video, I might have used different fingering sequences, because with the help of these 5 fingers there can be n number of permutation combinations of fingering sequences. So every time I might be playing with different fingering sequences, keeping in mind these basic rules of fingering. And while teaching, I might be telling you some different fingers. So here I have given you liberty to use all these 5 fingers as per your convenience while playing any song or any rag. So don't get confused with the fingering which I have done in the YouTube videos and which I have taught you during the class. So when you come across any difficulties taking fingers on any particular note, you can follow my videos. Otherwise, you can use any finger as per your choice, keeping in his mind these rules while playing song and raga, and not while playing the exercise, because exercise you have to use the same sequence as I told 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or whatever sequence I have told for a particular exercise, that you have to follow while playing the respective exercise. While playing exercise you should not change the fingering sequence, but while playing any song or raga you can use any finger alternatively as per your choice, keeping in mind all these 4 rules. Okay.